Hello, in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to build your own website without any coding, just with the help of AI website builder. So, in case if you do not have much experience with the website designing, website creation, and in case if you're looking for an AI builder, or in case if you want to build your own website, without coding, either you are a business professional, either you are a plumber, doctor, engineer, service professional, or if you are a freelancer or a blogger and looking for a place to create your portfolio, or in case of if you are a small business, or for any other needs you need a website and you do not have much experience, then this video is going to be for you, because in this video I'm going to tell you step by step on how you can build your own website without coding or without AI, or with the help of AI, without any extra charges except the charges for the domain or hosting. So if you are looking for one, make sure to click on the link in the description, because for my audience I have got a special link from the hostinger, and I will show you step by step as well. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this, where you can see about hostinger. You can see that the website builder is included with their plan. Simply select, once you click on the link in the description, simply select the website builder, and you can see over here the deal is running right now. That is exclusively for my audience. Simply select the claim deal over here, add to cart over here. You are getting 150 plus templates for AI, and I will also show you step by step on AI how you can use one, and then choose your billing period. If you ask me, the 48 months is the bargain. That is where you are saving the most amount of money, and because this is a one-time limited time pricing deals, and you may have to pay this higher price next time, so I recommend you to save as much as possible opt for the 48 months plan. But again, you can select any plan according to your budget and preference. The good thing about Hostinger is that all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. Once you select your billing period, you can create your account at Hostinger by writing your email ID, or you can synchronize with the Google or Facebook account. Then select your payment method. Hostinger website builder plan offer various payment methods, so you can select any plan. Once you select your payment plan, select the have a coupon code. You can see the current pricing right now. Once you use this coupon code, which is exclusively for my audience, you can find this one in the description of this video along with a special discount link. You can see the current pricing right now. Once I apply it, you can see that a price got a further discount, which was already discounted before as well, because you clicked on the special discount link. You can see the current pricing right now, which is already discounted. There is another coupon code as well. You can use this one as well, and once you use it, you can see that a price got a further special discount. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account, and I'm going to show you about this as well, so you have to stay with me on this. So once you buy it, you will be landed exactly to same as each panel as here, and it's has a website builder as well. So you can see, you can scroll below, you can see this website builder as well. You can also go to website from your panel, and you can add website over here, and you can create right now. You can also see easy building with hosting array website builder is available. Simply try now, and you will be redirected to their AI builder. Now with AI builder, creating a website is as easy as the ABC. Even if you do not have any experience, you can simply use it. You can start create, or you can even use the pre-made templates as well. Simply select the pre-made templates, and you will be redirected to their some famous designs. You can try any design for your preference. You can find one. They have like 150 designer crafted templates. Even if you like, they have ample of options to choose on. You can even search one, like in case if you're a restaurant, you can simply move on to the uh, restaurant category over here. You can uh, simply select service category, and see designs over here. For restaurants category, you can see they show you some restaurants categories. So you have ample of options. You For health and beauty, you can simply select health and beauty. You can see a lot of designs over here, and customization is very easy. If you're a photographer, simply select photography. You can select anyone. In case if you're just looking for a landing page, you can opt for this one. I mean, there are so many options to choose on that, and that too for free. So it makes a process of creating a website is very easy. And for instance, if I'm a service person, I'm gonna look around for service as well. So I can select any, and now there are so many for events for service industry that you may be having a hard time in choosing a good one. Or you can even simply select, in case there is another option as well, is that once you click on that add website, they are going to suggest you to write, and you can write as well. So that is easy as well, and you can see over here that I can move on to the panel over here. So let's say now, after choosing a lot of, or in case if I have to start an e-commerce store, I can select one and I can start one. And for instance, I'm going to select this one as well. I am just have to start building, and I will be now moved on to their builder panel. I can add my logos over here, I can add my products over here. So the whole transition, Hostinger has made a lot easier with their own website builder. So which requires no coding, and you can easily select this one. Now here I just have to option of preview and live over here, and you can see my recording over here, and I'm going to move it over here as well so that you guys can see over here the data. I can add my element, I can add my pages, navigation, website styles over here. Everything is over here. I have my online store as well. I can see my pages as well. You can see shop, about us, all the pages. I can also add pages. They have also pre-designed my pages as well for easy creation of website. First is here is going to be my logo over here. I can replace image and I can upload my own logo. Like over here, they can suggest you few one, or in case if I, you can use free images as well. In case if I do not have anything, I can write over here as well. Okay, or I can use AI to create a unique logo for me. So I will be using the AI logo maker to use a free logo for me. For instance, my brand is name is Ali Raza, and uh, let's make it I'm a digital marketer providing my Google ads and SEO services worldwide. I can use this one, but this is going to be for me. For instance, let's make it easy for any restaurant. For instance, it's a restaurant with the name of Ali J Pizza House, and I can write it over here. Uh, Ali J Pizza House is located in New Jersey, America. Provide free home delivery as well. Okay, they are gonna provide a free logo for me as well. So which is gonna make my even logo creation procedure as quickly and as easy as well. So, and that too, you don't have to pay anything additional except for the domain and hosting. And in case even for those, if you have clicked on the link in the description, you are gonna get amazing discount. So you can see I have already got few logo suggestions as well, and they know that I provide pizza. So they gave me as well. I can simply select the download button, and I have it available as well. And now over here I'm going to replace it, and I'm going to upload my file over here. uh, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quick look over here. It's my logo files, so I have to extract as well. So let me do the extraction as well. Or if I can see my free AI images over here, in case if they're provided, no, I have to upload. So let's move to my download section. These are the logo files. I'm gonna use extraction facility. Here my logo file is over here, and I'm gonna upload it from over here. So here, this is my logo PNG. I'm gonna use it, and you can see I'm selecting my logo from over here. So they have said that my 2 of my 9 steps have been completed. You can see my logo being shown over here as well. So that is good. I can move my logo width as well. I can again accommodate according to whatever I wanna do it. Once I'm done with this, okay, you know I can change my things over here. I can write about two guys, or we are a e-commerce store. Okay, you know what a blunder I did, that rather on e-commerce store I said about creating a logo regarding a pizza. So that doesn't make, but I'm just giving an example. We are an um uh, e-commerce online clothing store. Okay, okay. You know, I can use another one as well. I can create my own logo as well. I can give them a writing as well. Okay, so that is an amazing thing from Hostinger from me. I can create another logo within a minute. I can have my email list over here as well. I can have the edit form, and they can see that they have 4 more steps completed after I'm doing this stuff. I can, bring it to front, move forward. I can even change the location from over here to here. So that also makes, things very easy. Like, I want this stuff over here and I want this stuff over here. So that is, making things very easy. I can write my name over here. You can call me anytime. Okay, I charge for consultation. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. Okay, I can have my social media links over here. So social media links, if I have to link it back, I just have to copy my name. For instance, my name is Ali J Pizza. Okay, that is my Facebook profile link. I have to, select this one, select the hyperlink, add this link as this, and save it. And now this is going to be saved over here. They have also designed some pre-designed pages for me. So you can see over here. Now the things are my products pricing are over here. I can add additional section over here as well. So in case if I have to add a section, I want to add a headline, testimonials, gallery, videos, contact form, subscribe form, Instagram feed, map, footer, everything, they have provided me with this one as well. And over here, I can see my all sections about us over here, our values over here. And now I'm gonna see, let's say I'm gonna move to my all products pages. I can see my products over here, and now I'm going to move to my specific products pages. Like I'm going to move it to the jackets. I'm gonna name it different add jackets A B C. Now here I'm gonna move on to this page here. Now I can edit this section. I can edit this product, and if I have to edit this product, I'm gonna name it any product according to the real product I have, so that anyone can name a store. Like I'm gonna name a store as Ali J Pizza Online E-commerce Clothing Store. Okay, I know I'm making a blunder, but I'm just giving an example. E-commerce clothing store. Okay, I can select my country as well. For instance, I am creating in for United States. For instance, just giving an example, they are asking me currency as well. I'm done with this, so I just have to select the continue from over here. So here you go. I can add my products over here. I can set up online payments. I can review my business products. Now I can add products over here. So now they are asking me the product type. It's going to be digital products. It's going to be a physical product that requires shipping, or offer is if I'm selling a service, or in case if I'm giving an appointment consultation, or in case if I want donations, I can select any. For instance, I'm selecting the physical or a digital or a physical, because the clothing store. I can add my image from over here. I can write my name over here, product name, product description, and I can write it, and then I can have a tag button, and I can have a pricing. I can have, let's say I'm going to have a $10, but it's giving on a discount on $8. I can have my product code as well, the weight of the product, and then I can select options, size, color, material, different selections, different sizes, and just have to save it. The process is very easy, and I can have my own discounts, vouchers available as well for those people who are looking for special discounts, or I can offer customized discounts as well. I can have my store settings from over here. I can see on the marketing, they also providing me with the connection regarding to Google ads, Facebook ads. Even I offer these services. In case if you want that, you have to click on the link in the description. Me and my team will help you this as well. I can have a store settings available, company information I can set over here, my business logo, which we created right now with Hostinger AI. You can see that for try our AI logo generator, and you can use one to do this. My email address, my everything over here, and then I'm moving back. You can now set up my shippings, manual payments as well, create accept payments as well, and I can, they also offer you my guidance on how to place a test order, so I can know that is it working well or no. So this is a procedure is a very easy. And now I'm going to moving back to my website manager, where try to create a website for you. So you can see that the process is very easy, and I have done a lot of stuff as well, and they will even help you with analytics as well, because you can move on to the analytics and you can see through the account. Yes, the procedure is very easy. Just move back to the control panel, and I can show you. I just created two websites right now, but in case if I have to manage, I can simply select manage, and here I can see a lot of stuff, and I can see analytics from over here. Like they can tell the analytics from my blog as well. So you do not have to set anything, and they're going to tell you about a lot of analytics stuff as well. You can see IP addresses, bandwidth, last 24 hours, access codes, error codes. So overall, the experience is very good. So in case if you are looking to grab one hosting, make sure to click on the link in the description, choose your billing period, and use these coupon codes which I have mentioned in the description of my audio for exclusively for my audience from HostingGuru. So creating a website is as easy as ABC with this AI website code builder, which requires no coding, no extra experience, and anyone create a website. I hope you like this video, but in case if you still have any issues, make sure you can write in the comments of this video. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.